Hi, my name is Kendall Coyle, and my website is about cyberbullying. My question for research is why is it so common, and what is the leading cause for teenagers to bully others? So exactly what is cyberbullying? It is bullying that takes place over digital devices such as smartphones and laptops. It is the act of sending, posting, sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content to another individual, causing humiliation and embarrassment. Cyberbullying can lead to very harmful effects on the victims and bullies themselves, and it has recently been increasing over the years. As you can see, this graph shows activity levels of cyberbullying from 2004 to 2016, and with this information we can conclude that today it is still happening at a rapid rate. Cyberbullying can occur in and out of school, on social media sites like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, which are the most commonly used apps. It can also occur through text messages and even through email, though it is less common nowadays. Cyberbullying can even occur when playing video games with the new technology there is to be able to speak with other people when playing. The main reasons I found it to be so common are that 95% of teenagers have a smartphone or access to one. 45% of teenagers admit to being online on a near constant basis, and it is also easy to disguise one's identity and sit behind a screen and say whatever you want rather than doing it in person. Cyberbullying can actually be accidental because it's hard to truly grasp what someone is saying over text and how they are saying it, rather be like sarcastic because it's written on screen. Many people take things the wrong way, which can also lead to bullying. I also found out that those who commit cyberbullying have likely been victims of cyberbullying beforehand. And some significant factors for those who commit cyberbullying are gender, age, grade, and family income. The major effects of cyberbullying are anxiety, depression, other stress-related disorders, suicidal thoughts, attempts and completed suicides, fast changes in mood and behavior, and the avoiding of school and group activities or social events. There are ways to prevent cyberbullying, and some ways to decrease this issue are more parental supervision with their children's social media and phones, more education in school systems for students and even parents and teachers. I found a study done that concluded that school anti-bullying programs decreased bullying behavior by 20 to 23%. And in my opinion, I think there should be more consequences in school for cyberbullying, whether it was done in school or not. This will reinforce students that they will get in trouble if caught and should scare them enough to see a decrease in the amount of bullying that occurs. Bystanders also have a huge role in cyberbullying. Even if you are not the person who posted the negative comment or post about someone else, just by liking the post or comment turns you into a bystander and a bully yourself. Since it occurs online, it is easier to join the bully, whether it's accidentally or not, rather than stopping the bullying that has occurred. If someone is able to take action, they should tell a trusted adult right away, take responsibility, and stand up for one another, as you should always. This graph here shows a national representative sample of 12 to 17-year-old students in the United States, and the percentages of those who have been cyberbullied, have posted mean or hateful comments online, have spread rumors, posted mean names about someone, threatened someone, posted a hurtful picture or video, pretended to be someone else, even create a web page or profile for someone else, which is described from left to right, and the percentages are shown. So to recap, what my website will explain is what cyberbullying is, the harmful effects, ways to prevent it, and the main reasons as to why it occurs as often as it does.